Welcome, guys. I hope you all will be fine. Today, I will introduce you to spot trading in Binance. First of all, you have to click on trade option. I will continue to explain all this to you. As a new trader does not know much about whether he has up or has to go down. I will explain you market and the limit. First of all, select the market option. If you buy the coin in a market price, you will select the market option and select the amount of coin you buy. For example, I buy 12 Rion coin. Now click this option to buy this coin. I have no balance. If you buy this coin, first you deposit money in the Binance and then you buy this coin. But today I will explain sell or buy on market or limit option. But if you sell this coin, you click the sell option. Uh, if you sell this coin in market price, if you sell this coin in a limit price, you select the limit option and select the limit in a higher price. For example, you select this price, this coin price is 75, or fill the amount of Rion coin. This method you sell this coin on limit price. I explain you how to buy or deposit money in Binance in the next video. Now I hope you will learn how to buy or sell coin in spot trading on Binance. If you like this video, you click the like button and subscribe button. Meet up in the next video. Bye guys.